आगोलमेनवाय परमपुरुषाय सर्वदेवतावशीतराय सर्वारिष्टविनाशनाय सर्वदुर्मन्त्रच्छेदनाय त्रैलोक्यं वशमानाय स्वाहा। मननाल त्रायते इति मन्त्रः highest frequency of ME spirituality with messengers of love and religion of yogic love concept in it. So many years I am talking about Globe Menons Association. It has become a necessity for me as a first preference to engage in spiritual activities. After so many years, more than 30 years, I am beginning a spiritual peculiar life to uplift human beings with responsible roles in it. That was not taken care by the whole world because of something that is unknown to me or anybody, because the time was not right. I see that. Now the time is right, but past 30 years cannot be regained in any manner. So it is the leader domains in me space with Globe Menons Association and its expandable divinity to one and all for the purpose in which I am involved in this planet. I love to say that I am neither late nor early. If any type of expectation is there in the minds of human beings for a millennium change or a transformative NIJESS yogic philosophy to keep the mind engaged in the process of evolution, highest education. So there is no comparison with me, with anyone. I am unique with universal love. Love lights, glory of my advent and so many souls advent in this planet to feel the purpose, power and proximity. Cosmic power, me power yoga, spiritual power. That is translated through the divine love, truth and various wonderful things to feel the beauty of life in this planet for every soul to realize one's own divine nature and spiritual culture. Globe Menons Association is my first preference before any type of activities, so that is a promise to my ancestors that I take care of them. Trauma healing is also there in it. That's why I say kingdom of me souls rooted through Globe Menons Association and the associated glory to feel that type of awareness of a millennium that will take care of itself with highest clarity of a visionary path, NIJESS path. Then who likes to join me or to be a part of my vision and a mission? they should know that why I have waited for so many years, or why such advent didn't recognize in the past, because of so many systems that never wanted it. So many religions also never wanted it. Now I have to concentrate on my vision and the mission and my highest frequency for the sake of a new religion that is not a religion of rituals, religion of meditations. Nijeraja Yogic meditation, Nij Yoga meditations. So, religion of yogic love, messengers of love, and Globe Menons Association, associated glory, membership, marketing, everything is in tune with my visionary path. ME spirituality is in it. Cosmos, OESS, organization set up zones, orbital secure space, orbital spiritual souls in the straightness, straight right, straight left, straight straight. So many can easily understand that my advent is not for compelling anyone to believe in me spirituality, but to participate in that type of awareness of a process of evolution systematically happening for the sake of a new millennium. If that is understandable, I say this particular day on 29th as Millennium Journalist Day, ME Media Day also, that if anybody likes to propagate that type of spirituality through Globe Menons Vegetarian Club, then this is an opportunity for freelance journalists and real souls to be a part of my vision and a mission. UNIQUEST leading space. Straight? Highest 3 syllabus. News, NIJESS. I feel N stands for Northern Compassion, N. E stands for Eastern Spirituality. W stands for Western Professionalism. S stands for Southern Compassion. NIJESS. The whole globe is in me unit space, wireless me space. Globe love vision. It's a spirituality of a person who proclaimed about his advent. That itself is a big business for me brand souls. Souls economy, souls gathering. I am the son of Narayana Menon. That's more than enough for Menons unity with purposeful engagement and to do something good, thinking about Globe Menons Association. That's my first preference before I begin to explore the possibilities of expanding it to others. Left you all.
അനേകം വർഷങ്ങളോളം കഠിനമായ പരീക്ഷണങ്ങളെ നേരിട്ടും അതിജീവിച്ചും ഒരേ ഒരു വിഷനും മെസ്സഞ്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ലവിൻ്റെ മിഷനുമായി മുന്നോട്ട് കുതിക്കുന്ന ഒരു മനുഷ്യൻ്റെ അതിജീവന ലക്ഷ്യം ആധ്യാത്മികമായിട്ടുള്ള ബോധത്തോടു കൂടിയാകുമ്പോൾ അത് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്ന ആധ്യാത്മിക മഹത്തുക്കൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാകും അത് ദിവ്യതയുടെ ലക്ഷണമാണെന്ന്. എത്രയോ വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് ശേഷവും ഒരു വരവേൽപ്പിൻ്റെ രീതിയിൽ അത് മുന്നോട്ട് പാഞ്ഞ് അവരവരുടെ പ്രോമിസ് അത് നിറവേറ്റുന്നു, നേരായ ദിശയിലൂടെ തന്നെ. അതാണ് ബിസിനസ്, സ്പിരിച്വാലിറ്റി ആൻഡ് പ്രോസ്പെരിറ്റി ടുഗദർ, നിജസ് പാത്ത് ഫോർ മീ ബ്രാൻഡ് സോൾസ്. ഹയസ്റ്റ് 3 syllabus. Highest 3 syllabus. Globe Menons in the leading styles. Bridging the gap between past and future, or bridging the gap between earth and heaven. It is all NIJESS yoga system of evolution. What I am bringing to human species is NYSC, NIJESS yoga system of evolution. Globe Menons Association, searching for 1,23,201 souls in the beginning process in leader styles. Globe Menons and MESSOULS together.